Hey Swedooster fans, welcome back to the channel, your #1 source for the latest Swedooster news, spoilers, and in-depth discussions. Before we dive into today's exciting update, a quick reminder. Join the channel membership, support the channel by donating via Super Thanks, and most importantly, allow advertisements to play fully or for at least 30 seconds to help us keep bringing you amazing content. Every little bit helps, and we truly appreciate your support. Now, let's talk about a brand new character shaking things up in Swedooster this March 2025. Get ready, because things are about to get intense. Swedooster continues to captivate audiences with its rich storytelling, and this month, we welcome an exciting new character who's bound to stir up drama in Rutebosch. Meet Frankie, played by the talented Mienke Ehlers. If her name sounds familiar, that's because she's no stranger to our screens. But now, she's stepping into a permanent role in Swedooster, and trust us, she's about to change everything. So, who exactly is Frankie? Mienke describes her as someone who is impulsive, unpredictable, and unafraid to speak her mind. She's the kind of person who would say exactly what she thinks at a fancy dinner party, no matter how controversial it is. But don't be fooled by her tough exterior. Deep down, Frankie carries a lot of secrets, and we can only imagine the kind of revelations that will come to light as her story unfolds. Frankie arrives in Rutebosch as the new waitress at Oos Wes, but it's clear that she's not just there to serve coffee, she's bringing a whirlwind of excitement, tension, and, of course, drama. She doesn't care about social hierarchies, and she throws herself headfirst into situations without thinking twice. Whether that reckless attitude will make her friends or enemies remains to be seen. One thing's for sure, her arrival will shake up the dynamics of the town in ways no one expects. Swedooster has a history of introducing bold, unforgettable characters who disrupt the lives of Rutebosch's residents, and Frankie seems to fit right into that mold. Past storylines have shown us how new faces often become catalysts for shocking plot twists, intense confrontations, and even unexpected romances. Will Frankie bring chaos, or will she find a way to carve out a place for herself in the community? Only time will tell. The show has always excelled at character development, making each new addition feel organic, yet impactful. Frankie's arrival will likely intertwine with ongoing storylines, possibly exposing long-buried secrets, creating new rivalries, or even forging surprising friendships. Could she be a love interest for someone? Could she be hiding a past that will come back to haunt her? The possibilities are endless. Fans might be surprised to learn that before stepping in front of the camera, Mienke Ehlers actually worked in the props department on Swedooster. Talk about a full circle moment. From working behind the scenes to now playing a leading role, her journey to this moment is nothing short of inspiring. Her previous roles have already proven her acting prowess, and we can't wait to see how she brings Frankie to life. Having an actress with experience both on and off the screen adds an interesting layer to her performance. She knows the inner workings of the show, the essence of its characters, and the chemistry that makes Swedooster so addictive. With her in the mix, expect powerful performances, emotional depth, and some unforgettable scenes. Final thoughts. What can we expect from Frankie? With Frankie's bold personality and unpredictable nature, her storyline is bound to be thrilling from the very beginning. Will she clash with the town's established figures, or will she form alliances that could change the balance of power? Could her secrets be darker than we expect? One thing is for sure, Frankie is here to stay, and her presence in Rutebosch will not go unnoticed. If you're a die-hard Swedooster fan, keep your eyes glued to the screen because this is just the beginning of what promises to be an unforgettable journey for Frankie. Her interactions, her past, and the decisions she makes will all shape the future of the show. Buckle up, because March 2025 is bringing us some serious drama. That's it for today's Suiduster update. What do you think of Frankie? Do you think she'll be a troublemaker, or will she win over the hearts of Routerbosch's residents? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your predictions. Before you go, don't forget to support the channel. Join the channel membership for exclusive content, donate via Super Thanks, and let those ads play fully or for at least 30 seconds to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more Suiduster updates.